So you want to join the Just Dance Club happening with C-Spotts in South 280? Come dance the day away. Or say you were to even take that a little further. And you didn't want to dance, but in the second half we'd do some karaoke. So let's try some karaoke. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. So say you want to join the Just Dance Club combined with the Glee Club. Come along, South 280, Miss C-Spotts. Join us.